Hey, Brody. That nigga catted off with that little rat. He ain't coming back. Well, let me gas pump this shit though. Octane. This shit octanium. Pass me the ball, I'm open for the layup. Pillow talking to that broad, cuddled on the layup. Rest in peace, my dog. Payback, this to pay up. I finally got it all. I'm stunting with my rank up. Sipping soda, dog. Drinking out the same cup. Pass me the ball. I'm open for the layup. Pillow talking to that broad, cuddled on that layup. Rest in peace, my dog. Payback, this to pay up. I finally got it all, cause I'm stunned with my rank up. Fellas in the function, the Yankee got the bustin'. I slide through smoothly, acting like it was nothing. Tapping off, nigga, cause you was catting off, nigga. We caking on your bitch, we want it all, nigga. This music get abusive when niggas back to back in they Buicks hopping out with they automatic shooting. The pressure on the court be pressing these niggas, and I ain't tripping off the court or impressing these niggas. My Wally on my hip, it's in close range, nigga. Retaliation is a must, we gang bang, nigga. What hood you from? Spunky beef. The beef stay spunky. It used to be the streets when niggas stay funky. To the neck, I be dolo. Dolo to my neck. I ain't tripping what you said, cause I'm polo on this set. You double dribble niggas, you ain't never trying to flex. My biscuit in my hand, and it's raw ready cocked back. Raw ready cocked back, you already topped that. Nigga got one in the chamber, up top, and I'm cocked back. How you gon' stop that? Nigga, it's like park back. All eyes on me, nigga, I'm riding like a young cat. Dump back, dump back. My niggas gon' dump back. I ain't tripping where you living, cause we'll find out where your love at. Pass me the ball, I'm open for the layup. Pillow talking to that broad, cuddled on the layup. Rest in peace, my dog. Payback, this to pay up. I finally got it all. I'm stunting with my rank up. Sipping soda, dog. Drinking out the same cup. Pass me the ball, I'm open for the layup. Pillow talking to that broad, cuddled on that layup. Rest in peace, my dog. Payback, this to pay up. I finally got it all, cause I'm stunning with my rank up. Optimize over ops, it's GPK to the block. Police study at my spot. These niggas better stop calling in on crime watch. Closed eyes can't see with this crime watch. The Rolly Rolex flex when it's time stop. She got you lined up, so we ran back to back and then we lined it up. Pulling on these tools, that's on the Mac, on God, fool. Raw in my socks, choppers loading up the chop, still on the spot. Your bitch got you knocked, and that's why she got knocked. Nocturnal with the Glock, fraternal with the shots. They back to back, popping up like twin acne. And I ain't tripping off the activists, we been hiding. Ask my granddaddy, smoking on this granddaddy. I got guns cause I'm a thug like my granddaddy. This the G, nigga, I put that on my G's, nigga. And all my real niggas pumping with them P's, nigga. In these streets, nigga, gotta play for keys, nigga. We run up in your house and we ain't got the keys, nigga. We call it flocking. All my niggas mobbing from the top to the bottom. Sacramento bound to Compton. We get it poppin'. We get it poppin'. Catch that nigga slippin', red shot, Dennis Rodman. Headshot with the poppin'. Hitting on the clocking. Curry, pass me the ball, I'm open for the layup. Pillow talking to that broad, cuddled on the layup. Rest in peace, my dog. Payback, this to pay up. I finally got it all. I'm stunning with my rank up. Sipping soda, dog. Drinking out the same cup. Pass me the ball, I'm open for the layup. Pillow talking to that broad, cuddled on that layup. Rest in peace, my dog. Payback, this to pay up. I finally got it all, cause I'm stunning with my rank up. Man, these noodles ain't creamy, my nigga, you feel me? Like when a nigga sneeze, do the bitch bless you? When a nigga pees, do the bitch bless you? When a nigga G's, do the bitch bless you? Shit, how you gonna function, my nigga, if your fella ain't with the illa? You know? You ever see how scary a little pussy is? That's what a cat is. That's what cat mean. Meow, pussy niggas. Rest in peace, Big Payback. That's one of my LA niggas I fuck with real tough.
Back up to the scene of breaking news right now. As you can see, Mac standing by. He's been covering this story about the shooting at the McDonald's in Palmdale. Mac, what do you have for us?
Well, we are learning a couple of things, Colleen. First, we're learning more details about the victim. The victim's sister confirming to us it is 38-year-old Habib Zakai. We have a picture we want to show you really quickly to give you a better indication of what he looked like. She tells us he stands about 6'8" tall and was apparently sitting inside of this McDonald's when the shooting occurred. Deputies tell us a man in a gray hoodie apparently went into the McDonald's shortly after noon today, opened fire behind Habib and killing the man. Then that man apparently fled on foot. Let me take you back out live here where you can see authorities are continuing their investigation inside of this McDonald's right now. Coroner still has not arrived on scene here, but that's expected any time now. The family, as we mentioned, confirming to us a short time ago, is in fact 38-year-old Habib Zabaib. We are continuing to try to get more information on exactly what he was doing here and if possibly he has any connection to the suspect that authorities are currently looking for. Live in Palmdale, I'm Colin Medina, NBC4 News.
Rest in peace, Mac Dre. I ain't popping no pills. In a Brian kicking game. Soccer field. I got the yeet with my other hand gripping the wheel. I got bands on me still. Niggas standing in the field. Can in will get you sucking niggas killed. The DA know my game. We ain't ducking no deals. Baking with the steel. How you macking breaking bills? You put a whoop captain, you paying bills. My last grill used to stay in the hills. I broke that bitch for $500,000 out of heels. Before the deal, nigga, my ass was still real. Nigga.